What's going on? Back with another one for today, the 28th. Now today I went 1 for 2. The loss was like $1.15. It's kind of crazy. I had my stop loss like above my profit, like my entry barely, and it kicked me out and went negative $1 something. But I'm not crying because I still won. I won like $9.50 or something like that. So I'm still up for the day. But let's just back test this and see how we could have caught something else, or see if market opened at 7. Well, I didn't trade at 7:30. Like I always say, news scares me, so I watch out for 7:30 because that's when news normally come out. And I'm not touching nothing at 8:30, but we're gonna play it out and see if we could break this, or maybe like the 5. Okay. Yeah, it broke all of that. Okay, but I wanted it right there. Let's take that. And this is not like a true break. Like that's the high, and this was the low. But this high that broke that low didn't come up in here. So it's like instead of it being like a main leg break, it's like a minor leg. It's like substructure that broke the main structure, if that makes sense. But yeah, so let's see, we broke that, and we broke this. So in reality, let's just put that there. Yeah, make it easier. And if but that's the only thing I wouldn't really like. There's no entry for me in here. There's no entry. Maybe on M5. I mean, you could, I guess, but if you wanted to do that, you'd probably be better off just doing that. You gotta take all of that into consideration, but it's not much. Yeah, it's just like 18 or something. But let's just see. I don't even. Yep, I thought so. Yeah, did not come back. So this is gone. Let's just delete that. It's gone. It's over with. That is over with. Switch back to the 1. Yep. You don't get nothing. This was kind of like the type 1, but it did break. I didn't take it though. I didn't like that, and good thing I didn't. Let's see. Nothing really right now. Yeah, nothing really right now. This is how it went today. Like literally, I was just watching. It just didn't do nothing for me. But in this, so you need something, whether a break of this or a break of that. I still don't care how it looks if it's not my setup when it breaks. But that's what most people will be looking for. This is wild. So we've got, there's some liquidity right there that needs to be broke. Same thing right here. But this just got took out, so there's no need to mark that. This is probably forming some retail pattern that I could care less about. Let me check the 5. Nothing. Okay. And honestly, did I take a setup off to trade off that? I think I took the trade somewhere in here, don't quote me, and I got stopped out there. Yeah, I think it, nope, this is not it, never mind. I don't think this was it when I took the trade live. But we broke here. And so you could pick, maybe, that could be what you had got. I would have wanted it there though, but sometimes I'll like, okay, tap, break, we get down here, whatever. So let's just say I did that. But I'm still targeting, yeah, that's actually perfect. 33 points. Yeah, this might have been my actual, I think this was me actually. I got in like somewhere in this area. Oh, nope, never mind. Because it didn't do all that. But it was something similar to this. But yeah, that That trade damn near went to the full TP. Now it did. But I would have been got out if I was in this. I'm not letting it come down. I used to, but the stress from that, letting it come here, barely miss my TP to come back. I'm not doing all that. Nope. We broke. You know, I'm not doing all that. But so now right here, let's see. Did we break that? No, we did not. All right, now we did. Now we did. I took a trade somewhere in here. I just can't remember where, but it's irrelevant. All right, so we broke that. No, we did not break that. So we still cannot. Okay, not now. Now it was broke, and that got swept. So it's like good. Let's delete that. So for me, entry, I'm looking for something like that. Yep, this comes in, I'm gonna count this as a trade. And let's target that. Let's see, can we get something? Oh wow, it's not coming. Is it coming? You know what? This was my trade, I think. I think I took this one and I like got in like right there and I got stopped out somewhere in here. It was I was happy, but I was like, dang, from here to there, it was like it was wild. 48 points. Now, I think for me it was 30, but it was something like that. Like I got in somewhere around there. I should have got in here, but I did not. Got scared, but look at it, full TP. So let's count that as a win. That hit full TP. Bam. So we have one. Let's see, can we catch another one? And I'm still learning with the sales. Bam. I'm still working on my sales. And this is even more valid because it broke this high all the way over there. But that's the question is, are we gonna get a reaction down here? Because what I would like while we watch this is that take that. Oops. Stops us on 8. No. Bring it right there at 15. And then that. And we can just TP out. I don't know why that's there. We can just TP out along the way. Oh wow. It never gave us what we wanted. Okay. I guess we gotta wait for something else, huh? Okay. Okay. So we broke all of this. All right. Broke all of that. We still haven't tapped my area. And so if we can get anything in this, we got us a play. We got us a play. We gotta move. And I want it all the way down here. Or, you know, once it breaks here, I would set the SL. Anywhere in this area, I'm setting the SL. Alright. Almost. Come on. Wow. I remember that happening. Look, my execution was perfect. But what happened was it just didn't give me my entry. It missed it. And this happened today. It happened today. I remember this because I was excited. Because I was waiting to see if I should take it here. But look at this. It broke the low. So we got this, well, this high. And then the low is one of these two candles. Yeah, that's actually liquidity. So it's both of those, whatever. So I was like, bet this is good. We broke the low for like some minor structure break. I can at least take it here, which is how I got this set up. But it missed my entry. Oh my. Sometimes it pays to jump in early and sometimes it does not. And then I remember just watching this. I just watched it and watched it and watched it. And then it came down like that and I got scared. Then it broke through and I was like, yep, I'm not taking this trade. Just to see it barely break. And if you look at this setup, it's still within my my stop loss area. Like, it hasn't hit it. And so from here, we'll just say I got in about here at the 78. So if I got in, I could have walked away with. Right now, I'd be up 24 points, $24. Oh, look at that. Now we're up like 30 something. It's crazy. So stop loss definitely would have been literally right here. You know, that would have been stop loss. And it's hit. So back testing, we taking this W. But live trading, I missed this trade and I was kind of in my feelings. But it's okay. It's a learning experience. Look at that. Now it's talking about a bearish pattern forming. Let's see which one wins. My setup or trading views retail pattern. Which play wins? And look at that. So I would have got hit out, took out, and then it hit this. So it's not up all 91 points, but it did go at peak like just about 60, 59ish or 60. That's a lot. It's still a lot. Still a lot. All right, let's check the 5 and the 15. We cannot forget about them. Nothing yet. Okay. Oh, you know what? Actually, no. So we still stayed. We didn't break that. Okay. Ooh. Nothing. It's just nothing. But look, so the stop loss for this retail play got hit. That's why I don't trade it. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of let the retail thing get me. What did I do? I saw this and I was watching it. I set a alert for it to come in this area. I can't remember if it went higher, but I know it came. I set something for this, and then it came down, and I was like, man, I should have got in. I was just like, man, I should have got in. You know, and I don't take retail, but I saw this previously. Real quick, let me see. Yeah, I remember this one. Look at this retail one. I gotta remove this too, so I don't even get distracted by the retail setup. But this was bearish. It came here and then broke. So I was expecting kind of something similar, which is exactly what it did. Came here into this little like wannabe order block. Barely though. And then it broke. Let's let it play out. I saw it come back up and I was like, maybe I should get back in. I mean, not get back in, but maybe I should get in. I did not. I saw that and I said, oh, I could still get in. No, I waited and got in like here. Came down. I set the stop loss like right in it. So let's just say, for kicks and giggles, it was something like that, right? I got in like, no, it wasn't like that. I got in like that, came down, and then I set the stop loss like right there above it, and it kicked me out with this wick. But I lost. Technically, it should have won, but it's fine. But now that I'm looking back at it, we got my Type 1 Mini again. Broke this, bam. But if I remember correctly, it earlier it didn't do it how I would have liked. It went like, instead of breaking and then coming back, it like came down and then broke. So there was no entry off that. Still running, huh? Still running. Came, tapped this. Broke that structure. So that was my, well, no, that's the ugly version of my setup. I don't take it if it's ugly. Let's see. What is it doing now? Oh, you know what? I'm done. We are done because this is, and it tapped it already, so that area is no good anyway. But yeah, we done. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. As far as trading is concerned, so we done. Ended the day in real life 1 for 1. Still a green day though. Paper trading 3 for 3. Stop losses were hit 1 and 2. And this one went full TP, but we could count this as a stop loss too, maybe. Because I'm pretty sure once we got down here, I'm definitely not letting it come past somewhere in here. So it might have got wicked out. But yeah, look at that, man. Keep doing this. We're going to get better and better every time because I'm spotting this stuff more and more.